Since taking over as US president, Donald Trump has signed a series of executive orders, including to cut family planning funding, to build a wall on the border with Mexico, and most controversially, to ban anyone from 7 Muslim-majority countries from entering the US. To many observers, and many Americans, Trump is starting to seem like a dictator. How much authority does he actually have? Executive orders do have their limits. All they really do is tell government agencies how to prioritize tasks and allocate existing resources. The order on the border wall, for example, just tells the Department of Homeland Security that it has to get started using already available funding. Executive orders have the force of law, but they're not actually law, and they can't defy the Constitution. That's why a federal court could stop deportations of Muslims detained on arrival at US airports, saying that Trump's order violated their rights to due process and equal protection under the law. The courts could eventually strike down Trump's order entirely, either on constitutional grounds or ruling that it violates the 1965 Immigration and Nationality Act, which forbids discrimination on the basis of nationality, place of birth, or place of residence. Then again, US courts are often suckers for national security claims. That's why the Supreme Court upheld FDR's racist order to detain Japanese Americans during World War II. If executive orders aren't exactly tyrannical decrees, they do raise questions about the limits on a president's authority. When Barack Obama used such orders to shield 5 million children of undocumented aliens from deportation, Republicans accused him of overstepping his reach. Abraham Lincoln faced similar resistance in 1863 when he used an executive order to free all slaves in Union-held territory. Trump signed 14 executive orders in his first 9 days. That's not a lot more than Obama, who signed 9 in his first 10 days. But early executive orders are often mundane. For big, controversial changes, presidents usually try for congressional approval. On the entry ban, Trump didn't. Actually, he didn't even consult the agencies that had to implement the policy. That caused chaos and galvanized resistance and exposed incompetence at the top. That's not a great start for a dictator.